RazorFencing.com is a leading provider of privacy fence screening, razor wire, windscreens, and bird spikes, serving all 48 of the continental United States. Our commercial-grade products have been used on construction sites, at schoolyards for baseball park outfields, and many other locations throughout the U.S. RazorFencing.com is one of the largest Pro-Lock stitch windscreening suppliers in the nation. Our expert installers can make fence windscreens and patio privacy fencing to any size thanks to our custom program. RazorFencing.com also specializes in razor wire security installations, offering commercial-grade razor wire made right here in the USA. Our bird spike products help keep properties clean and free of invasive bird nests, adding to the look and the value of both residential and commercial properties. It's very, very easy to get a quote. For help or to order, just call 1-800-474-1804 to talk to a real live person 24/7, including weekends. We offer free shipping throughout the continental United States. We offer the #1 bird control spike products, recommended by architects and government agencies. Our bird spikes make the most effective keep-off landing strip you can post. Recommended by all major animal rights groups as safe and effective. When birds are allowed to roost or nest on buildings, they can leave an unsightly mess behind. Birds can also spread harmful diseases. Keep your residential or commercial buildings clean and free of birds by choosing RazorFencing.com for your bird spike product needs. RazorFencing.com proudly serves each and every state, city, and town throughout the lower 48. And we ship our bird spike products free to anywhere in the continental United States. Our bird spike products are safe and effective and are the #1 bird control product recommended by architects, building managers, and U.S. government agencies. Bird spikes can be installed on windowsills, roof lines, eaves, or anywhere migratory birds might roost. RazorFencing.com's bird spikes are sold in 2-foot sections with 50 feet per box. Bird spikes provide the widest coverage of any physical bird deterrent. RazorFencing.com is your unbeatable choice for service and selection. We also offer a range of other products, including windscreens for privacy and protection and razor wire products. Call us today at 1-800-474-1804 or contact us using our online form for a fast and free quote. Our bird spikes are recommended by all major animal rights groups as safe and effective. Commercial dog shade and kennel covers made to any size. Super great, competitive prices, staying apples with apples, all commercial made, all commercial framed, all double stitched, and all screens warranty. UV sun, Pro-Lock stitch, all commercial frame with a thick 4-ply hem, brass grommets, rust-free, rot-free. These are 85 to 90% effective, recognizing the need to let some wind go through for a longer lasting product. 3-year warranty. Outdoor shade protector. Breaks the wind and provides UV sun protection. It prevents direct sun and provides good air circulation. And it keeps air up to 15% cooler. Whatever your fencing needs, call Tony at RazorFencing.com at 1-800-474-1804. Why don't you call him right now while you're thinking about it? razorfencing.com, 1-800-474-1804. Video by videosforyourbusiness.us. Voiceover by Terry Lauber.